What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. It's been a bit. We've been dealing with sickness and an injury, and it's been crazy. But we've got the egg going. We're back. We'll be posting a lot more, but we've got the egg going. We're going to be doing a spatchcock chicken inside, seasoned with Lane's island dust, which I'm super pumped about. It's one of my favorite seasonings. I've talked about that quite a bit. We're going to be doing it on a spatchcock chicken. So we've got the egg going. We're going to get it up to about 225. We're at about 180 right now. And then we're going to throw this bad boy on. We're going to do it with some carrots, maybe some mashed potatoes. Who knows? Let's go crazy. Stay tuned. All right, we spatchcocked the chicken. Look at that. Laid it flat, and now we let it cook. All right, so we've been on for about 3.5 hours. This bird is looking real good. We took the thermometer out. We just hit 165. So we're going to take it off. We're going to let it rest, and we're going to slice. All right, so we just sliced our first breast off. I mean, it is so incredibly juicy. We'll slice into this one just so you can see. I mean, look at this. That is such moist meat. You can't beat it. So good.